Greetings and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of goddess Skadi, renowned as the Norse goddess of endurance, justice, and determination. Part 1. Significance of goddess Skadi. What does Skadi represent in mythology? Skadi, the fierce and formidable goddess of the Norse pantheon, strides across the icy landscapes of the north with an unwavering spirit and relentless determination. With her chilling presence and unyielding strength, she personifies the raw power of the untamed wilderness. Skadi, the embodiment of winter, is a testament to the resilience and tenacity required to navigate the harshest environments. Skadi is often depicted as a tall and majestic figure, draped in furs and armor, embodying both grace and ferocity. Her piercing blue eyes mirror the icy depths of the mountains and reveal a deep connection to the wild and untamed forces of nature. Her hair, like golden rays of sunlight glinting on a frozen lake, symbolizes her association with the winter solstice and the eternal cycle of seasons. She represents the indomitable spirit of survival and adaptability in the face of adversity. Skadi's domain extends to the mountains, forests, and wintry landscapes, reminding humanity of the need to respect and embrace the forces of nature. She symbolizes the power of self-reliance, teaching the value of perseverance and resilience in the harshest of conditions. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Skadi. Unleashing the spirit of Skadi. Embrace inner strength, resilience, and the call of the wild. Skadi, the indomitable goddess of the Norse pantheon, emanates a resolute call to humanity, urging us to embrace our inner strength and persist through life's trials. Through her symbols and teachings, she imparts the wisdom of self-reliance, resilience, and the need to align with the forces of nature. In Skadi's presence, one can feel the formidable power and unwavering spirit that resonates within both the wilderness and the depths of the human soul. Skadi embodies physical strength and unwavering resilience, epitomizing the endurance required to endure harsh environments. Her connection to mountains and their rugged landscapes signifies endurance and a deep-rooted connection to the earth, grounding us in our journey. Above all, Skadi exemplifies independence and self-sufficiency, often portrayed as a solitary figure traversing the wilderness, reminding us to honor and embrace our own individuality. Part 3. Symbols associated with goddess Skadi. The majestic mountains, Skadi's dominion in Norse mythology. Several symbols encircle Skadi, each carrying profound significance in Norse mythology. The mountains, with their towering peaks and rugged terrain, stand as the primary symbol associated with Skadi. They represent her dominion and the vastness of the natural world, emphasizing her connection to the untamed wilderness. Skis, her favored mode of transportation, symbolize both her mastery of snowy landscapes and the necessity of adaptability in the face of harsh environments. Additionally, the bow and arrow often accompany Skadi, representing her skill as a huntress and warrior. They symbolize her ability to strike with precision and her determination to overcome any obstacles in her path. Wolves, loyal companions that roam the wintry realms, serve as symbols of Skadi's connection to the animal kingdom and the primal instincts within. Part 4. The story of goddess Skadi. Heritage of strength and divinity, Skadi's origins and connection to nature. In a realm shrouded by icy whispers and embraced by the frigid touch of winter, there reigned a goddess known as Skadi. Her presence commanded awe and reverence, for she stood as a testament to the indomitable spirit dwelling within the vast, untamed wilderness. With piercing sapphire eyes mirroring the glacial depths of the mountains, Skadi embodied a regal grandeur, both majestic and formidable. Her dominion extended across the snow-kissed lands, where she roamed with a grace that mirrored the dance of blizzards, personifying the raw and unconquerable forces of nature. Skadi was born of the union between the giants and the gods, representing the merging of primal strength and divine wisdom. She inherited her father's love for the mountains and her mother's connection to the celestial realms. Draped in furs and adorned with armor, she traversed the snow-covered landscapes with unparalleled grace, leaving behind the imprint of her steps like echoes in the wind. In her eternal solitude, Scotty found solace and strength. She honed her skills as a huntress, mastering the art of archery with her bow and arrow. The winds whispered secrets to her, guiding her through the icy terrain, and the wolves became her loyal companions, their howls echoing her presence in the vast wilderness. But Scotty's heart longed for companionship beyond the solitude of her wintry realm. She yearned for a partner who could match her strength and endure the harshness of her domain. Seeking this connection, Skadi made her way to the halls of the gods, determined to find a suitable mate. Arriving at Asgard, the realm of the gods, Scotty was met with curiosity and awe. The gods welcomed her, intrigued by her indomitable spirit and untamed grace. They proposed a challenge to the goddess, to choose a partner by their feet alone, without seeing their faces. Scotty agreed, confident in her ability to discern strength and resilience in their footsteps. She walked among the gods, listening carefully to the sound of each step, feeling the vibrations beneath her feet. Her intuition guided her, leading her to a pair of feet that resonated with the might of the mountains. Believing she had found her match, Scotty made her choice. But as the veils were lifted, she discovered that the feet she had chosen belonged to Njord, a sea god with a gentle and calming nature. Though they tried to find harmony in their differences, the vast expanse between their realms proved to be a challenge too great. Recognizing their mismatch, Scotty and Njord decided to part ways amicably, each returning to their natural domains. Scotty retreated to her mountainous abode, finding solace once again in the solitude of the wintry wilderness. There, she continued to embody strength, resilience, and adaptability, guiding those who sought her wisdom. Over time, Scotty became a revered figure, a symbol of untamed power and the ability to endure in the face of adversity. Mortals looked to her for guidance in navigating the harsh landscapes of life, seeking her wisdom to overcome challenges and find inner strength. To this day, the spirit of Scotty lives on, inspiring individuals to embrace their own resilience, adaptability, and connection with nature. Her story serves as a reminder that even in the most solitary moments, there is beauty, strength, and opportunity for growth. Part 5. 3 Strategies for Personal Transformation, tapping into the power of the Scotty archetype. Strategy 1. Developing a growth mindset. Inspired by the goddess Scotty's resilience and determination, one strategy for personal transformation lies in harnessing the concept of neuroplasticity. Neuroscience research has shown that our brains have the remarkable ability to reorganize and form new neural connections throughout our lives. By actively engaging in new experiences, challenging beliefs, and practicing positive habits, we can rewire our neural networks to support personal growth and transformation. Strategy 2. Believing in your potential. Quantum physics suggests that reality is not fixed, but rather a realm of infinite possibilities awaiting observation and manifestation. Similarly, we can envision ourselves as dynamic beings with unlimited potential. By embracing this perspective, we tap into the power of intention, visualization, and self-belief to shape our lives consciously. Strategy 3. Embracing independence and self-discovery. Scotty is known for her fierce independence and love for exploration. Cultivate a sense of self-reliance and autonomy, making decisions that align with your true desires and values. Engage in activities that promote self-discovery, such as solo travel, journaling, or engaging in new hobbies. Embrace the spirit of exploration, both externally and internally, to expand your horizons and discover new aspects of yourself. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields, interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. 1. Find a quiet and undisturbed space where you can create a sacred atmosphere. Adorn the space with blue and white fabrics or objects, representing the colors of Scotty's wintry realm. 2. Light a white candle in the center of the sacred space. As you do so, envision the flame as a symbol of purity and clarity, illuminating your path towards inner strength. 3. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart, grounding yourself firmly to the earth. Feel your connection with the world around you, drawing strength from its solidity. 4. Close your eyes and visualize Scotty's presence before you. See her towering figure, her piercing blue eyes reflecting the resilience of the frozen mountains. Feel her energy surrounding you, imbuing you with determination. 5. Speak or silently invoke Scotty's energy, calling upon her support in embracing your inner strength and overcoming challenges. Express your desire to embody her fierce spirit and tap into your own reservoirs of resilience. 6. Engage in a ritual dance or movement that reflects your power and vitality. Let your body sway, leap, or move in a way that feels natural to you, channeling Scotty's wildness and untamed energy. 7. As you conclude the dance, stand still and take a deep breath. Affirm your resilience and commitment to pursue your goals. Speak words of affirmation aloud or silently, declaring your determination to face any obstacles with the indomitable spirit of Scotty. 8. Thank Scotty for her presence and guidance throughout the ritual. Express gratitude for her support and ask for her continued blessings as you navigate your path. 9. Allow the candle to burn until it extinguishes naturally, or, if safety permits, blow it out with gratitude, symbolizing the completion of the ritual. A final message, words of wisdom from Scotty. In the face of challenges, your unyielding spirit is forged, unveiling the depths of your strength. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.